choo-choo train, on a choo-choo train, on a choo-choo. Here comes Tickle Train, rolling down the track. With tiny wheels and giggly squeals, no turning, only back. The Tickle Train says rise and shine, it gives a happy beep. It wiggles past your little toes and tiptoes while you sleep. Wiggle, wiggle, little toes, wiggle one, then two. Wiggle, wiggle, fingers, next the train will tickle you.
Up the arm the train goes now, slow and soft and light. It toots a tiny whistle song, not scary, only bright. Chugga-chugga round your tummy, round and round it goes.
The Tickle Train is silly and sometimes boops your nose. Boop goes the tiny engine, boop goes the little caboose. Boop goes every passenger with laughter on the loose. Now the Tickle Train meets Puppy with the waggy, waggy tail.
Puppy hops aboard and says, let's follow that little snail.
They chug through fields of daisies, they sway through morning air. They hum a happy hum together, a cozy little pair. Sway your shoulders side to side,
Sway them left and right.
sway like flowers dancing in the gentle morning light. Now the Tickle Train gets sleepy, it slows its wheels to rest. It parks beside your cuddles, where snuggles feel the best. Lay your head down softly, take a tiny breath. The Tickle Train whispers quietly,
You are loved with every step.
then choo-choo softly fades away, no giggles left to keep.
But it will come again tomorrow.
When you wake from bedtime sleep.